everyone, so hopefully this video will benefit you if you're using XFCE like I am. One thing I noticed is that when I installed something like Ubuntu or any other desktop environment apart from XFCE, I would get if I installed XFCE, I'd always get screen tear, which is like when you move windows, the screen sort of lags a bit and your windows get all jumbled up and weird. It's only for a split second, but it's a pain when you're trying to browse through web pages and it looks like half of the page is overlapping and it just looks horrible. So I wanted to find a really good way of fixing that issue pretty much because it was bothering me. And I found this really good guide here, which is duncanlock.net. I'll put the link in the description so you can click on it and view it, but I'll just talk you through the steps in case you find it hard just to follow it. So basically pretty much here all we need to do is, if you start off this blog, you can either open it up yourself or you can just follow this video. So you come up to the top here, go to settings manager and then go to I think it's Windows, which one was it? What's it called? Windows Manager Tweaks, and then yeah, compositor, and you need to untick enable display compositing because I think that uses the default one, and that's not what we want. So yeah, pretty much just uncheck that like that and click close. And now what we need to do is install what's called Compton, which is a new display manager, I guess. So what we're going to do is, it's very simple. We've just got to add this PPA, so you can do it. You can add it to your sources list if you want, or you can just run sudo apt get repository. So pretty much just copy this, open up a terminal. Apparently, Quake doesn't want to be open. Hang on. Right. So yeah, just paste that in, run it, hit enter, and then run sudo apt get update, hit enter again, and then sudo apt get install Compton, and then hit enter, and then Compton will go off there and install itself. Now you basically need to create a text file, so open up your terminal again, and you basically got to create a text file in the config folder. So if you cd to the folder, you can see I have a compton.conf. So the best way to create that would be to type touch compton.conf like that, and that'll then create the file. And then once you created it, use nano compton.conf, and pretty much what you need to do is just copy literally this whole lot in there. Okay, so just keep going, keep going, keep going, and then just copy that and literally just right click, paste, and put the whole lot in. Mine, I haven't changed any values, mine runs absolutely fine. So yeah, that's that. And then what you need to do is just start Compton when your computer starts. So the easiest way to do that is to Alt F2, which brings up the application finder, and you can just type in Compton, and that will launch Compton for the first time. So you don't really need to do Alt F2. You can always just come in here and just type in Compton. Don't know why they ask you to do that, but it still works. But then obviously that starts Compton for your current session, but you want it so it auto starts when you turn boot up, which is obviously the best idea. So yeah, to make it start, you just go to the applications menu, settings manager, and then you go to session and startup, and then application auto start, add name. You can just call this Compton XFCE, description window manager, and then the command is Compton. So just hit OK. You can see mine's just there, and that's what I've got in there. Compositor for X11. Close out of that, and that's pretty much it. You can then just reboot your operating system, and like magic, you'll realise that you won't have any tear. Now, when you do this part here, you'll realise that you shouldn't have any tearing. you'll know if as soon as you get to this point here, if you get tearing, then you know this fix won't work because you're essentially just starting Compton and it's fully running. I mean, you can try rebooting, but I doubt that'd make a massive difference. But yeah, if it does work, then just set Compton to start automatically when you boot up your system, and that's probably the easiest way to do it because obviously you don't want to have to type in Compton every time you want to for your window display manager to work. So yeah, like I said, I'll put the link to this blog post in the description so you can just click on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.